Dr. Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And today I'm having a different look, but it's from a prior video. So this is one of those brands that it speaks to me on every level, and that is Besame Cosmetics. And they recently came out with a skincare line. I am so thrilled. They have a vanishing cream and a cold cream line. It comes with a lovely little booklet, like most of her products do, to help you understand how to utilize it, and it gives these lovely directions. Illustrated packaging. This is what it looks like. It's packaged very well. It has these little protective sides, so I guess it doesn't bump too much inside the box. But look at that. It has a little like design to it, so it can sit nicely and it doesn't tip over, which is nice. It has the logo, which you see there. Very, very nice. Beautiful flower there. And of course the name and what it is. This is the cold cream. All right, so I'm trying to keep my hair out of my face and get myself ready. So now we have to remove all this bad boy. Now the directions they give is that to start with the lips. Right there, if you see that? Just start with the lips. This is for the cold cream, okay? Because they have separate directions for their day cream and vanishing cream, which for some reason I didn't know they had a day cream. If I had known, I would have gotten that too. There's a day and night cream, and they're supposed to be coming. I think that's why they haven't been released yet. At least it's at the point of this video when I ordered it, the day and night cream had not been released yet. So apparently they are going to be releasing those two. A day and a night cream. Oh my goodness. Okay, so back to this. Let's focus. So with clean hands, which that's what I have, we're gonna see this, how it works. Oh, this feels, looks so beautiful. Wow. And it doesn't have a scent, but it does smell like a lotion. Okay, just putting it there. It definitely doesn't have like a flowery scent or anything like that. So I'm just gonna put that to the side. It is like a smoky jar. This is, I think this is glass. This is heavy. It has some heft, so I have to be very careful with this. So goodbye, all this stuff. I gotta finish my day. They say to start off with a little bit and to start Okay, so reading the instructions, guys. Using, ooh, wait, there's a spoon in here? Are you kidding me? So I don't have to put my fingers in there because my hands are clean, but, oh yeah, look. So it comes with a spoon, which is lovely. So I could just spoon this. Okay. And then I guess apply. Let's keep looking at the instructions. Okay. Applying cold cream with massage. And you put it onto the fingers. The spoon after each use. Apply to the lips to remove lipstick. Next, apply to the chin. Like so. Sorry, that's way up there. And the next thing is to apply with a sweeping motion. Spread the cream on the edges of the jaw. So I guess it's like this. Yeah, see it coming off? Oh, that's scary. Wow, that's so, oh, it feels so good. Okay, what else? Very, very soothing as well. What's the next step? Okay, then continue the motion from the tip of the, it says to put it on the tip of the nose to the temples. I think I need more. Like it's so rich and creamy. I'm gonna put a little tip on my nose like that. And then just, oh my God, this is so creamy and so rich. But it looks like my normal skin color is coming back to the front. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, look. All right. So I just keep doing this, dotting along. And just, ooh. Oh my goodness. Down the bridge. And I still haven't done my how you call it, but I'm just gonna, okay. Just gonna keep rubbing this because, oh my goodness. All I need is a vanity and listening to some old-timey music. This feels wonderful on my skin. I think I would suspect that if you had like sunburn, like this would be beautiful because it feels so cooling and so nice to the skin. It's just, oh, okay, now they say to put a little bit on your lid. So this is gonna be challenged because I don't know if this is something that can go in the eyes. So I guess I have to be careful. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see. So I'm sorry, I can't really see. I have to close my eyes here. But I'm moving it around on the skin without going into my eyeball and seeing if I could gently get it to lift the mascara I applied off my lashes as well. So I might look like a bit of a scary animal at one point when the stuff comes off, if it does. I'm trying to see. It does. Oh my goodness. Okay. But again, I gotta close my eyes again because I don't want this going in my eye. But I guess this works like especially around the eye because, you know, it's gentle. I don't feel it stinging. It's also moisturizing that area. So it's not like I have to worry about tugging and pulling that delicate eye area, which is nice. Now I can go out for Halloween. Now I look perfect. Okay. So after that, I did all that onto the lashes, so I did the right thing to remove it. And it says remove cream with a cleansing tissue or warm moist towel. Now Besame does have a towel. It's $12. I wanted to order it, but it wouldn't let me, so maybe they just ran out. I'm just going to take my good old-fashioned makeup eraser, moisten it with nice warm water, and I'll be right back. Start at the forehead and follow the contour of the face. Remove all the cream from one area before proceeding to the next, and then finish with the neck. I didn't even do my neck. You would think, you know, I don't put, you know, I really should focus on that. I could put a little on the neck. Oh, where's my spoon? A little bit. I have to say, this is something that you can do. I mean, some people would say, oh, is this something I can do? You know, I'm a busy person, I'm in a hurry. I would say you could speed it up, but there's something luxurious about this. Okay, so we begin. So the idea is not to, look at that. Wow, okay. The idea is not to use the same spot on the towel. You don't want to redistribute what you just took off. So I use another side of, and just continue to work. So, wow. Okay. Wow, look at the difference, guys. Again, look. That's with the mascara and the eyeshadow. And I don't see any like streaks or anything. Like it took it off. it wasn't playing around. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna take another side of this and keep working. Wow. Am I impressed? I would say, yeah, it looks good. Okay, let's take another clean side and keep working. Wow. Do is my mouth. Have I run out of space? Okay, here, there's one more space. Wow. Wow. That's it, guys. Done. Wow. I'm like, did I miss any spots? I mean, I'm just, but that's how I look. Oh wait, I didn't even do my neck. What am I doing? So I'm gonna do the other side of this and just. They say you're supposed to go up, not down. I keep forgetting. I have a lot of makeup on there, just on the chin area. And that's it, guys. That's it. Wow. Yep, this is me without a lick of makeup on, folks. You get to see it all, this glory. I am so impressed with this. Oh my gosh, my skin feels so soothed. It feels soft. It doesn't feel greasy. Holy Moses. This stuff is good. I'm loving it. I'm already hooked. And it comes with a little spoon. So cute. Very hypoallergenic and, you know, keeps everything nice and clean. Okay, I'm done. I will do this in maybe a subsequent video. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments below. And I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.